Good morning, honey.
Hi. I can't walk and look at the camera.
You ready for breakfast?
Yes.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you, baby.
24 years, guys. We're at the island here in Pigeon Forge. We're going to go get some Paula Deen's breakfast to start the day. Anniversary, got to start with a good breakfast, right, honey?
Yep.
All right. Well, check it out, guys, and we'll see how Miss Paula cooks up some bacon. I'm sure she does a great job. You looking forward to breakfast, honey?
Yes.
I hope they're open.
Hi guys, Paula Deen's. You better come hungry if you come here for breakfast. So, Southern style breakfast. You pick 3 of the down home dishes. Then you pick 1 of the breakfast meats. And then you pick 2 of the breakfast treats. So Laura, so far all we know is we want biscuits, sausage, and gravy. So we have a long way to go. I'm going to say we got to get the chicken and biscuits up top, honey. Number in the choose 3. We got to get some scrambled eggs. And I'll let you pick the 3rd one. And then in the meats, you pick which meat you want. Which meat do you want?
Bacon's fine.
Bacon.
Just not the sweet bacon.
And then choose 2. What else is your 2nd one?
I don't know.
You don't know. Well, she'll pick here shortly. She's trying to figure it out. And they bring you some breakfast cinnamon rolls, raisin cinnamon rolls, and some orange juice. So come hungry, guys, if you want to come eat here. Not too crowded, about 8:30 so far. They're open till 10:15, I think, for breakfast. Think you can eat it all, honey?
No.
What we got? We got some fruit, we got some chicken and biscuits, we got some gravy, we got some scrambled eggs with some cheese, got some bacon. What kind of special blend?
Applewood bacon.
Applewood bacon and some casserole. Sausage, cheese, egg, casserole. Eat up, honey. No lunch today.
No.
I am stuffed.
Me too. I'm ready for a nap.
I don't think I need to eat for a month.
Me either.
I had a pot of coffee.
Half a pig.
Half a pig,
Biscuits.
chicken, a piece of whole chicken.
Biscuits
The
and
biscuits.
fruit.
I didn't eat many carbs. I focused on the protein.
I ate the biscuits.
You ate the carbs.
Biscuits and gravy.
And I finished it off with some fruit, so cut down on my heart attack risk for the rest of the day. But for what, 15 bucks a piece, go hungry or don't go.
Or don't go.
Yeah, if you're not hungry, don't go to Paula Deen's, but I would recommend it.
It's so good.
Pick good variety to pick from and plenty. See, they opened up till 10. I'd probably wait until about 9:45 or 10 o'clock to show up. We were there 9 o'clock, but you can show up later too. And we learned that if you go for lunch, they do basically the same menu as what we overheard for breakfast. So give it a shot if you're in Gatlinburg or Pigeon Forge area.
Yes.
All right.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Have a great day.